Hi, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to see about how Unity software is working, and I am going to give a demo to create a sample application using this Unity 3D software. Okay. So before starting the session, I want to explain about how we can find the Unity software in the net. You just go to the Google and you just give Unity Hub or Unity 3D, whatever it may be, you can give Unity 3D. So it will search some informations for you. So you can download. Yeah, here there are the Unity real-time development platform. So many pages it will give. So you just go to this unity.com. Yeah, here get started, click get started. Click get started. Yeah, here you can see plans and pricing. There are two types of boards are available to purchase Unity store. One is you can give money or you can purchase, and another one is free one. So here you can see the individual and business. So when you click this individual, if you are a student, it is a free sign up is here. If you want to give, you just choose this personal. Personal you can give here. Get started. And start here. First time users, you can select this agree and download. Just click this, you will get downloaded the Unity software exe file. Okay, this is a process to install, this is a process to download the Unity software from the internet itself. Okay, this is the process. Okay, then after the process, after the installation, you can see, yeah, here see this Unity version. Two versions I have downloaded, 2018 and 2019. So I am using 2019 now. So just double click the Unity software, Unity 2019 installation. So this is the window. Yeah, here I think in the previous session, in the webinar session, I have given the army folder. I think you know that, right? Now I am creating a new project folder, 2019. This is the version, whichever we are having in this system. 2019 I am choosing 3D, as I said earlier, 3D. So here I am giving the file name. For example, I am giving the project name is 20 rupees. This is the project name. Create. Please ensure the system should be a very high-end configuration. Then only this type of 3D programs or 3D softwares will support. So please ensure you have a good system, means that higher-end configuration system. It is getting very slow, I think. But initially it will take some time, but after that it is working very fine. In this window you can see two, one is main camera and the directional light. So in the webinar session I suggested two parts. One is Opheria engine. There are two tasks we have to do. One is license and target, and two things we have discussed: license manager and target manager, right? So to download the Opheria engine, we have to go to the Google and you just give Opheria engine for Unity 19.3. If you are using 19.3, you can give. Otherwise, you can give Unity 18.3 or 17, whatever you are using, you can give for that. You just download this SDK. Because I have already downloaded this SDK in my system, so I am just doing this. Go to the assets, import package, custom package. Here you can see download two files. One is this add Opheria package 917. You just click and open. Now you can see here new. Just click this import. Because the augmented realities setup files all are configured with Opheria engine only. So we have to download this Opheria engine. So now the engine is installing within our 20 rupees application. Now right click this, sorry, it is importing. So every application you have to install this Opheria engine. Yeah. Now here you just right click your screen and you can see Opheria engine has installed. Just put this AR camera. Now AR camera, augmented reality camera has been installed now. So now we can delete this main camera. We don't want to delete this. AR camera is now installed. So you have to go to configure this Opheria engine with your AR camera. So go to this open in the right side panel. You can see here open Opheria engine configuration. You just click this. Go to the first one. Here there is an option is there add license. As I said earlier, Opheria engine has two tasks. One is license manager and target manager. So this one is to add license for your this augmented reality application. You just click here add license. It will connect to your developer session of opheria.com. So in the webinar session itself, I said I have already registered with the Opheria engine. So if you have not registered, you just go and register this. Okay, I have the username and password. In the registration form, nothing they are asking. Only they are asking your username and password and what is the purpose. That's a very minimal requirements they are asking. So you can easily register with this Opheria engine. Yeah, now it is asking the username and password. You can give the username and password to this window. Just a minute, I am giving the username and password. Username is your mail ID which you are using in Opheria portal. here you can see there are so many licenses have been installed by me. To create a new license, you have to click this get development key. Yeah, you just give 20 rupees. This is our license name. By clicking this and click confirm. Now we receive this license for our application. Now I just click here and go to the software and you just click and paste. Now our license is installed within our application, 20 rupees application. Okay, and our basic application here, and the idea of this application is when a user shows the 20 rupees note, a 3D object will be projected. This is our aim of the project. So we need a 20 rupees image itself. So I have to click this air camera and right click and go to the Fourier engine, click image target as a child. It means that in between the air camera and image target, this is called as child. Okay, so select this image target. So here we need image. So as I said earlier, we are having two options. One is license manager and target manager. In the target manager itself, you just click to store the image, add database, give a name. Just I am giving the 20 rupees, the same name. If you select a device, don't give cloud or view mark, you can give the device. Create. Now I have created a database for 20 rupees. Click this to upload the picture, which I am having the 20 rupees note. So add target, the single image, browse, desktop. The file name is 20 rupees. Yeah. Open. Here there is a screen units are there. You can give 5 or 6. It means that the screen units are nothing. The size of the target the system can fix. So you can give test it and you can increase the value of the screen units. So I'm giving 5. Click add. Now the database will be downloaded in the left side of our window. Yes, now click. You can see here rating of this picture 3 stars. It means that you can see, just click this 20 rupees, how features are working. Yeah, you can see here, so features. Yeah, this is the features which is recognized by the Fourier engine. Okay, now I'm going to download the database. Click download database. You select the Unity editor. Don't give Android Studio or Visual Studio. If you have, you can select this one also. Now the database is downloading now. Yes, here you can see here 20 rupees.unity package. Now it's downloaded, I think. Yeah, now it's downloaded. Go to the software now. Again, click assets, import package, custom package. Select this 20 rupees. It will be stored in the downloads area. Okay, you can select here. Open. Now it is importing. You can see here new. Just click import. Now the picture database has been imported now for our application. So now select this image target and go to here right side, type, select from database, select the database name is 20 rupees. Now there are only 2 options are there. One is 20 rupees. So now you can see here 20 rupees is there. Okay. Okay, this is the time to download the 3D object within our application. Now we have select the base for our application. So asset store, I have discussed already. Go to click here asset store Asset storage, and you can purchase also. You can purchase the 3D objects also. So there are so many free versions are available. We can select both. So you just leave free dance or any object you can. Just we click free. There are so many objects are downloading now, I think. Yeah, there are so many characters and so many objects you can see here. Snowman is here. You just click here, free snowman. I think the bandwidth is very low here. I think otherwise it will be very good one. Yeah, free showman. Click download. 41.9 MB package. Click download.